All right, so in the last video, went over how to provide objects, and you can see that right here in the wheels module, providing wheels and providing the arguments for that function, which are rims and tires. Here's how you provide tires, here's how you provide rims. So now we're going to, you see how this works for objects. We're returning an instance of tires, instance of rims. Now we're going to go over how to return interfaces and implementations. All right, so let's see. Let's pretend engine is not a class, but rather an interface. Let me hide this. Okay. And all right, let's say there's one function here and it is start. You start an engine. Okay. And now let's make two types of engines. Let's see. Let's do gas engine. Inject. Make a constructor and have it implement the engine interface. Okay, we're just gonna log a message. Okay, it's gonna say starting gas engine. Okay. And then we're going to make another one. Let's do, how about, let's do electric. Actually, it's not an engine, it's a motor. So we'll call it electric motor. But, okay. All right, so anyways, there we go. We got the electric motor, add a constructor, have it implement the interface, the engine interface. Okay. We're gonna log a statement and it will be starting electric motor. Okay. And you want to be able to provide that in, where's that? The car. So let's do the gas engine first. Let's make a gas engine module. Okay, and we're going to annotate this with module first. Okay, and then we'll use the provide just like we did before. And let's see, function provide gas engine. And the argument will be let's see, a gas engine, and the return type is the interface. That's important. We're going to return the interface, and I'll say return gas engine. All right, there we go. We could write this a little nicer, I think. We could do, I'm going to delete that or cut that. I think we could do like that. All right, there we go. You do have to specify the return type, because if you just did that, it would return a gas engine. We want it to return this interface, an implementation. All right, so now we have the gas engine module. We're providing that. Let's go to our car component and then add this to gas engine module. Add it right here. Okay. let's go ahead and build this. Make sure it builds. Clear logcat. Okay. Let it build, make the graph. And then, let's see. Okay, it did it. Now let's run it. Oh, go to the gas engine. Oh, we did. And it is not actually providing it. Gas engine start. What's wrong with this? Provides a gas engine. Car component. We're using the gas engine module. It should be. Oh, we got to call start. So let's go to car, and in the drive, right before we drive, we're going to call engine dot start. All right, let's run it again. And there we go, starting gas engine. You can see that right before this is executed. So now let's do this with electric. So we have, okay, engine. Do we have an I thought I made, oh, there we go, electric motor. Now let's make new. It'll be electric. We'll call it motor module. Okay. Now gas engine module, we made a class and we used the provides. On this one, let's do this a little differently. We'll make this abstract. And we're going to annotate it as well with module. And we're going to annotate, instead of annotating it with provide, we're going to annotate it with binds. And then make the functions, and we're going to do bind engine, and we'll pass it, let's see, electric motor, and we'll return engine. We got to make this abstract. All right, there we go. So this is the better way to do it. You see, it's more concise, it's easier to read, and it's also it's more performant because you're dealing with with provides. You actually have to create the implementation. With this, you do not. So let's go to our car component and change this to electric motor module. But that is one important thing to remember. With interfaces, you want to use binds. You don't have to. If there's a reason you can't, you can use provide, but binds is the better way to go. Not just for readability, but it's faster. So, all right, we changed that over in car component, electric motor. All right, let's run it again. Let's see what happens. And there we go, starting electric motor. So we just went over how to provide interfaces using provides and classes, and we went over how to do the same thing with right here with abstract classes, abstract functions, and binds. This is the better way to do it, using binds, but if for some reason you can't, you can use provide. Now let's change some things. Let's add a package just to make this easier to read. And we'll make a new package, call it car. Let's stop this too. And let's grab everything car related. Everything that's just related to the car but not Dagger. So I'm going to grab car, that's the electric motor, let's see, fuel, rims, tires, wheels. Let's see what else. Gas engine and engine. I'm going to grab those and then drag and drop them into that directory. Go ahead and click refactor. Alright, then I'm going to make one more package and I'm going to call it DI for dependency injection. I'm going to grab all the stuff related to Dagger. So the car component, the electric motor module, gas engine module, and wheels module. I'm going to grab those and dump those into DI package, hit refactor. Alright, and let's just build this, make sure it works. And I'm going to put this on GitHub. And well, there's an error. What's the error? Oh, get that out of here. Oh, because we refactored, some imports probably got messed up. Yeah, need that extra DI. Okay. All right, let me add that to the commit. Let's see, added gas engine and module, as well as electric motor and module. Okay, so all this is on GitHub. If you like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and the link for GitHub is in the description. And I'll see you in the next video.